Hello everybody, this is Painter Doug LA, and today I am in Old Towne Orange, also known as Orange Circle, in Orange County. Now what makes Old Towne Orange so meaningful is because it's basically Mayberry. In fact, it's the largest nationally recognized historic district in California. So every time I come and visit, I feel like I've been transported into a simpler time. But first things first, I always have to stop at Wahoo's. There are no longer any restaurants in Los Angeles, but there is one here in Orange Circle. And I personally have declared Wahoo's as the unofficial Gen X themed restaurant. Anyway, this is why we are here in Orange Circle. The antique stores, and there are plenty of them around here. Not just stores, but antique malls. And as an artist, this is where I get a lot of my inspiration. Like, just look at these vintage cameras. And I find these random, bizarre things, just like this Raggedy Ann doll with a message. I forgot to mention, this is Country Road Antique and Garden Store, or mall, something like that. Man, here's a relic from McDonald's. That is neato. If you are into shabby chic, this booth is your heaven. I'm personally into tikis and old tiki culture, so there's plenty of that going on around here as well. And all these like tiki mugs, very collectible tiki mugs, and they're not cheap. Personally, I'm turning my dining room into a tiki theme bar. So I'm always looking for stuff to add. So the secret to achieve a certain level of escapism is layering, which means you can never have enough stuff. Even though Orange Circle has a lot of old school charm, it's changing, and a lot less antique type vintage stores and more restaurants, bars, and of course microbreweries.
And then when I started hanging around there a little bit,
It's the way of things.
we get spring break.
It's not bad news. Just look at this Starbucks. It's actually one of the prettiest Starbucks I've ever seen. It's a nice blend of corporation embracing classic architecture. Now we're entering one of my favorite antique malls, Orange Circle Antique Mall. I'm always on the lookout for some Silver Eagles or Morgans. Yep, Gen X toys are now in antique malls. Nice. Check it out, more vintage cameras. Oh wow, look at these milk glass mugs. Can't go wrong with Charlie Brown and Snoopy. And Burger Queen?
Which one?
I remember collecting these as a kid. Another milk glass mug with. Oh yeah, more tiki mugs. Trader Sam's, Bali High. My Little Pony. I didn't collect them, but they are cute. Hey, that's not tiki. Well, if you want to start a tiki collection, you can start here. But they are not cheap. This crazy collection. Anyone speaking to you? Yeah, it's quite a collection right here.
That was like it was your time out chair. Yeah.
Which one's one for?
Hey, that's not tiki either.
On their own volition, like it wasn't
Oh yeah, Jack Lord. I don't even want to read the price tag. Some of them are very rare. Endless. Thou shalt not worship false idols. Right on, let's explore the basement. Groovy. Sweet, we have some classic bicycles and parts. Everything you need for your rat rod project. The perfect booth for your Coke addict collector. Oh yeah, if I owned a Ford Pinto, I'd definitely buy one of these stickers. A Ron English figurine in an antique booth? Oh, the Country Bear Jamboree. More patches. And here's some items that became a big inspiration for my last solo show. It's all about Gen X forever.
Yeah.
and the culture around
More tiki items for your bar or your Polynesian escape room. And these are all like vintage items. None of that reproduction stuff you find in a party store. So if you want that level of authenticity, you'll find it here. For sure. Man, that's a work of art.
Good for you.
Got angry. Ow. Solid 70s entertainment. Jackson 5. Of course, comic books.
Oh yeah, I think okay. What's that?
This is Diane's outfit.
Just love these storefronts. And there's space available.
I got shot.
Well, it's nice to see you. It's so nice to be here. Have a great rest of your day, all.
I'll drop off the parking pass.
Ooh, this is new. Let's go in here. Have you been naughty this year? I like smelling poop.
You've seen those before.
Did you know Tudor was an arcade hero?
The all sports Walkman.
Yeah, I don't have what we need.
Furby. Remember Furby?
No, I wrote down
These big eye figurines were really popular in the 70s. What were they called? It's Pee-wee. Oh, I see Terry is enjoying a nice hot caffeinated beverage. It's crazy to think that Main Street Disneyland is just a few miles away from here. This is actually real Main Street. And it's free. You've been on a roll today. Ah yes, Antique Station. This antique mall cannot be missed. Oh my god. I'm looking for a tiki statue, a nice tall one. And what's an antique store experience without creepy dolls? Oh my god, here are all my action figures.
You made it up. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh my god, severed heads. I think I'm gonna buy that strumming coconut man. Black Flag? I've never seen a Golden Girls Chia pet. Ooh, nice. The Pet Boys and some rat and fink hood ornaments. Some cool ass shift knobs. Yeah, those hard to find items you might need for your car project might be here. Just ask Santa.
What's the deal with these?
Oh, hell no. I think the eyes are following me. Do you think Grogu saved Star Wars? Oh, look at these Disney ornaments.
Wow.
$65, $95. You peek. Which one? God damn, there's so many antique stores in Orange Circle that it will probably take an extra day or two to see them all.
Wait.
Well, this looks like a Lincoln Continental.
That's pretty.
Pretty sweet.
Is it okay?
Wow, what a treat. Not only do you have classic items, classic cars, and a collection of classic dogs. Okay, folks, we've reached the end of this video in beautiful Old Towne Orange in Orange County. Now it's time to fight some traffic and head home. Glad you joined us. See you soon.